Hey, hello friends. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So one of my friend asked me how to check the TRs created for smart forms. So there is a one smart form for one of that either invoice or order output type. So he want to understand in which TR those smart form changes has been carried out earlier through which transport request number those changes move to different systems. So you want to know that. Okay, so to know that there are two ways available. The first way is that we can access the T code SC03. So in SC03 there is a one first option you can see find objects in request and task. You can execute this one. If you see here we can see predefined program ID with object type has been defined here. So R3TR is the program ID and object is different objects we have. Program is for report and FUGR for function group, CLA is for class, TABL for table and structure, VIEW for view, table type is TTYP, and data element it is DTEL. But here we don't have any option to see or add the smart form option, right? So what we can do, we can select this checkbox. Okay, first we'll add the object that is SSFO. You see, when I add SSFO, system provided the description for this SAP smart form. And if I add XPRA, I'm getting this program runs after transport movement. So like this, we can add our objects here. Okay, so let me select this SAP smart form because I want to see the list of TRs created on this smart form. Now we need to enter the input to the smart form here. This is one of the smart form. Okay, so here we have option to select whether it's a modifiable or release it here. Let me select both and let me execute now. You see, when I execute, I'm getting one entry. Okay, and this is the TR for that. Okay, let me open this in another screen. The table is E071. Let me add the TR and execute. You see, this is the TR number. In this TR only, this smartphone change has been carried to the different systems. And here we can see when this TR was created, who is the owner of the TR, and the status of this TR. We can get some basic information about this TR. This is one thing. And one more thing, like if you want to check that report changes, any customer report, you want to see the TR for the customer report means you can simply enter here the report name, select this, enter the report name and execute. Similar way, if you want to check that function group, you can add the function group here and click on select this one and click execute. So like this, we can do it for each and every objects. Suppose this is one scenario. Okay, this is one way of getting the TR for this smart forms. Another way is also very simple. In the same table E071. Remember this table E071. In this table, we can see all the objects inside the TR. The TR, whatever objects is carrying, those information we can see in this table E071. So what I will do, I will again, so this is one another second way. Enter this object name. So in the object name field, we should add the smart form name here. And object type is SSFO. and program ID is R3 TR. So if you don't know about this program ID object type, that's okay. You can simply add only the smart form and execute. I am executing now. See, again I got the same TR. So this is second way that we can use it. So with this approach, with this E071 table approach, the challenge here is that sometimes same name can be used in different objects. For example, same smart form name used in data element declaration, domain declaration, okay, anything. So anywhere the same object name is same, but that is used for different objects. There's also possibilities are there. That's why it's better to filter it as per our need. Okay, this is two options we have. How can we retrieve the TR relevant to smart forms? So why we are going like this is that there is no version management in smart forms. As version management is not available in smart forms, it's very difficult to get the list of TRs for that. So that's the reason we should go these two approaches. In case of reports, function groups, class means version management is options available, so we can directly see there itself how many TRs created on this object, and when it was moved something, we can see there. And suppose you are going to create uh, or modify the existing copy controls. You want to modify something in the existing copy controls, right? But that changes already available in development itself. See, let me tell you. Okay, so we would like to modify, we would like to add one item category in the copy controls. Okay, that change is not available in quality production. So when we are doing testing in quality production, we got some issues with copy controls, and we identified that that item category is missing at the copy control level, right? But when we come to development system, in the development system, we see that that item category has been already available. Okay, that is already available in development system. That means someone already captured the changes into the TR. So no need to create a new TR now. We need to use the existing TR only. So we can check with that owner of the TR who created the TR and why that didn't move to quality yet, and who requested that person to do the changes. We can get those information from that user, that owner of the TR, and we can take that TR with us. Okay, so in those cases, how to identify that which TR holding the copy control changes? This one also very simple. So you see here IMG activity. Okay, so here click this multiple selection and you see single values. Again click this F4 search. So now we need to select the path for that copy controls. So sales and distribution, sales, copy control for sales documents. Okay, so I'm selecting this copy control billing document to sales document. So you can select this one and click on OK. Click on OK. Now you see it has been added, and I can execute now. If any TR available, I will get the list now. See, no TRs available. That's why I didn't get anything here. So this is one of the easiest way through IMG path. We can get the list of TRs on any of that SPRO configuration level. So another way also available, that is the table, same table E071. I will always recommend that let's go with the option of E071 only. The reason here is that if you go with standard way of selecting the path and execute means you will get the TR obviously, no doubt about that, but that won't help us to learn new things. What I'm trying to say is that, so if you want to get the same relevant data in the EG71 table, we should know the table for that. So what I will do in the object name section, I will add a TVCPF. TVCPF. Let me see. See, TVCPF is the table for the copy controls only. I think it's a bring document copy controls. Let me open the table in another window. TVCPF. You see, billing copy control. So if you use this table E071, it will give you an option to analyze the table or view name for that particular SPRO configuration. In a way, you are increasing your knowledge. You are improving your knowledge. SPRO path means simply selecting the path execute. That's fine. But in this way, the table way means you'll get additional knowledge of that relevant table for that particular configuration and the maintenance view and the objects. And you see here we got the different objects TABU. But whereas you see here TABU, no, right? We don't see TABU here. Now you came to know one more object, that's TABU, table update. Let me show you that what does it mean. I will search it here. TABU, table content, I think. Yeah, it's table contents. So always use the tables which will give you more knowledge. Okay, and here also you can see that that you can see the T code, and you can see that IMG path also here. So this is one of the another way we can get the configurations, SPRO configuration relevant TRs list. Always go ahead with this second option only. For anything, for any TR, you just go with second options. But simplest option one also available through SC03. You can use it both, but I prefer only the second option. Fine. So once you get this list of TRs here, then what we can do? If you want to see that who created the TR, who is the owner of the TR, and what is the status of the TR, whether it's released or still is a modifiable TR. Okay, that information we can retrieve it from another table, that is E070 CTV. This is one more the table. So here just add that TR here and execute, and you see what kind of TR it is. It's a workbench TR or a customizing TR or something else. And who is the owner of the TR? Status D means is released. So D means modifiable, R means released, and the date of this TR and time. And you can see in the description of the TR the ticket number or defect number on which this changes has been carried out. So we can see the reference for here. Okay, so like this we can retrieve that TR for the particular object. Hope this video will be very helpful to you guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.